I am here in Las Vegas for CES 2026, and Cooler Master is showing off some really impressive PC components. As someone that is an enthusiast PC builder, I always have my eye out for what Cooler Master is working on. So when they reached out and said, "Hey Trisha, can you come by our little press and preview suite to check out some of the latest?" I said, yes please. So thank you so much to Cooler Master for partnering with me for this video. Now let's see what they have in store. Let's go. Now, if you know Cooler Master for their consumer products, you might not be aware how much business they do in enterprise, so business to business. And they've brought some of these solutions here to Las Vegas. This is the Aquagate Max Retro Mini CDU 240. Now, it does come in 3 different sizes, 240, 280, 360, and that corresponds to the fan sizes inside. But really what this is like an all-in-one in a box that you can connect to other all-in-ones. So we're looking at a liquid to air CDU in a couple different formats here, all from Cooler Master. There is the data center solution to the hardcore power user solution. This is more than I could use, but shout out in the comments if you think you would use something like this, to the traditional consumer solution of an AIO like I have in my streaming PC at home. Cooler Master has taken what they learned from enterprise and brought that level of professionalism to their consumer products that you and I get for our PC builds. All right, one of my favorite reasons that I love to see what Cooler Master is up to when it comes to enthusiast PC builds is for the aesthetic that's just a little something extra. Right here you can see the MF360 stage LCD, or the extended stage accessory that we're looking at right here. The normal stage is about half this depth, so you could display a small figure, but if you wanted a larger figure, now you have an accessory to be able to do that. And of course, you've got this gorgeous screen on the back that you can either use as an extended display, or you can play a video or something that works with the look that you are going for your build. But as someone who collects toys and builds PCs, this is particularly interesting to me. Now again, I always like tech that looks a little different. Here you see the Cosmos S cooling solution that has 360 by 360, so 360 squared fans here in the back. This is particularly something that overclockers will want to take a look at. Now, of course, right here on this other side of the same build that we just took a look at, we've got Master Vision, which is a magnetic solution for a 12.3-inch external display, and Master Meter. Now, these are digital tachometers you can move around. Look at this. You can move them around because it's a magnetic solution, so you can really decide where and how you want this on your case, move it as you see fit. Now, in terms of cases that Cooler Master has brought here to Vegas, we've got the Q300L V3, which is particularly unusual because you can fit a 140 fan not just in the front, but in the back as well. Now, if you wanted to put a 180 on the top, you could, but you could only fit one on there, but it is wide enough for that. Just next to it here is the Cube 540 SP. Now, what I like about this is the premium wood texture. It's really, really nice. Then we've got the Masterframe 500 Mesh V2. This is a little bit more standardized, making it easier for builders who don't want all the customization option, but still want that clean, high quality look of the Masterframe series. This does come with a GPU bracket. Love that, now that our GPUs are so big. And the magnetic panels on this are backwards compatible with the previous Masterframe models as well. Okay, and then for my real high rollers, this is the Cosmos Alpha Gold. Now, this is one huge frame, but multiple layouts. So the back plate can even move forwards and backwards within the case. So if you wanted to have more room for your GPU, you can move it farther back. If you wanted to have more room for a cooling solution, you could move it farther forward. So it really just depends on the type of build that you want to make. Now, I love that this comes with a 24 karat gold magnetic accessory that you can put on here. Because like I said, you know, this is really for the folks that need their PC to look as luxury as they feel about it, right? And the front panel here is a really cool sponge mesh panel, which is not only fantastic for airflow, but also for keeping dust out. Just really premium. Okay, now we're gonna move over here to some of the all-in-one liquid cooling solutions for enthusiast builders. So right here, I have the Master Liquid Core Next Digital Series. This is an all-in-one cooling solution with a digital display. It does have a standardized readout for folks who want that, but a really sleek look to it, of course, because it's Cooler Master. Then next to that, we have the Master Liquid Atmos 2 Stealth Series. This has interchangeable pump caps on it. This is more performance focused than aesthetics focused for those who are looking for that. And of course, 360 fans, and this will be coming soon. Next, we have the Master Liquid Core LCD series with a 6-inch IPS display that can rotate. Now, of course, you can customize what's available on that. This is also coming soon. Next, I have two really interesting air cooling solutions here, the Master Fan A series and the Master Fan M series. Now, this is the first time we've seen aluminum fans in air cooling at a consumer level. So it's got this really nice grid on the front, which does more than just aesthetics. It's actually to protect your fingers. This has an extreme up to 4,000 RPM. So with aluminum blades and 4,000 RPM, if you stick your finger in that, no bueno, no bueno. So we have the grid on there to protect your fingers. And again, this is the first time that 4,000 RPM and aluminum fans are offered at a consumer level. So this is really fantastic for small form factor builds. This is really great for tight builds that need that high-end airflow. Now the Master Fan M series has this discrete RGB lighting that I think is super beautiful. It's a little bit quieter and it's got MDB, or magnetic dynamic bearing, meaning that inside this fan is a floating ring. There's no friction or wobble, so it's more quiet, it is more stable, and will have a longer lifespan overall. Plus, again, a really cool look. Now, it's Cooler Master, so we've got two full tables of cooling solutions here. But in terms of our other air cooling that's offered here, probably the thing I'm most excited about is the V8 Ace 3D HP. Now, I first got a chance to see this at Computex in Taipei, but this is going to give super efficient, even heat CPU cooling. I love the engine lighting aesthetic as well. This is my first time seeing that. What 3D HP cooling is it gives an extra pipe for better and more even heat cooling, and that is a Cooler Master patented design, so only place you can get it. Just moving down a little further down the table, the Hyper 812 and Hyper 612 Apex Pro are more air cooling solutions that have a redesigned fan and pipe design. You'll see the single tower versus the double tower, and these are launching in Q1 of this year. Finally, here on the end of the table, we have the Hyper 612 and 212 Lite. These are more entry-level consumer designs for those who are a bit more budget conscious but still want that super high performance Cooler Master cooling. All right, everyone, get excited for a PSU. And if you're like, Trisha, PSUs aren't excited, listen to this. The MWE Gold V4 is a PSU with GPU Shield Intelligent Current Management. So gone are the days where our GPU connector might melt. No, we don't want any of that. The MWE Gold V4 has GPU Shield Intelligent Current Management, and we'll show you via a light on the PSU, if you don't have it covered by a PSU cover, the health of the current going to your GPU and the status of that current. Now, if you do have a PSU Shield, so you cannot see that light, they do have a separate adapter cable. This is the GPU Shield adapter cable that you can purchase that will show you the LED right here in real time. Now, the LED you see on this display is just for the purposes of the display today, but if you wanted that experience in your PC, you can do it either with this PSU, or if you want that LED indicator, you can do it with this attachment. Now, I want to be clear, this attachment works with any PSU. You do not need this specific one to have the GPU Shield Intelligent Current Management display happening in your PC. From enterprise solutions to consumer and enthusiast products to everyday components for your next PC build, Cooler Master has a little something for everyone with an aesthetic flair. Tell me if there's any of this that you have your eye on for your next build in the comments. And thank you so much to Cooler Master for keeping it cool. That's not their phrase or anything, I just said that. Their phrase is, make it yours. Okay, bye.